So it's very solid talaga.
Oh, cut na? O, pasok kayo? Ganun? Ayan. Ay, sige. Ay, papawis. Magpupunas akong pawis eh. To your dining, going to your kitchen. Dining to your kitchen. I think, ano yan? Circuit breaker. Open natin. Taran! Common toilet and bath.
Toilet and bath, of course. Cha-cha-cha!
Hindi, detail yun na lang. Good day everyone and good day Unbox Properties PH. We're back again. This is our Unbox House Tour number 97 or 98 I think.
Oh, dumadami na.
So nandito na naman ako. Basically kasama si Miss Belle. We're here to present to you another property here in Angeles City, Pampanga, which is very near the airport. And Friendship Highway, which is basically a very well-known location spot for a business district here in Angeles City, Pampanga.
So the total lot area of this house is 150 square meters.
150.
And then yung floor area naman niya is 210 square meters. And then, finish this video kasi familiar tong design na to,
May
especially
surprise?
sa loob.
May Jollibee sa loob?
May McDo.
Wala. Okay.
Ay, di ba na-sponsor?
Yan. So basically, sa channel natin, nag-educate na rin tayo ng mga viewers natin on which, kung meron silang specific type of flat, pwede nilang makonsider dong ganitong layout. So as you can see on our exterior facade, basically we're on a modern contemporary design from the finish of neutral colors, wood elements, and definitely nag-stand out talaga yung eaves niya na may wooden accent. Basically made from PVC, which is low maintenance cost compared to a natural wood. The combination of colors from lines and added texture on it is basically nade-determine kung ano talaga yung character ng bahay.
Tama.
And this is brand new, di ba?
Yes,
so,
it's...
explain mo na rin, Belle, kung bakit hindi pwedeng i-mention yung price.
Sometimes kasi nagwa-vary yung price. So, just to make sure lang, di napalit-palit yung thumbnail natin sa price, di ba?
Ayun, correct. So, yun, na-explain na natin yung exterior facade niya. Nothing much to say. So, let's enter and at least para makita nyo na rin kung ano yung amenities ng property na to.
Yeah, and also before we go inside,
meron pa pala.
In front of this is meron din tayong garden area. So, let's appreciate this simple landscape right here.
So, upon entering, very elevated yung floor level natin, which is basically, I think, 0.60 from the ground or at least 2 feet. Tapos dito meron tayong
1-car garage. And then still, kahit 1-car garage lang siya, we can do street parking naman. Kung wala naman din nakapark.
Pero ideally, yung size ng garage niya kasya kahit pickup truck. Kasi I think this one is 3 meters by 6 meters in length and width. Then, sobrang laki rin nung setback niya in front. So, hindi masyadong makipot tignan nung harap natin. Then, all covered na pala siya. If you notice, wala na tayong unshaded part. Which is basically kahit umuulan, hindi na tayo naaarawan or nabibilad or nababasa.
Oh, and also, kung mapapansin ninyo, may mga naka-installed na din na CCTV cameras from the garage and then here at
for
the
your
porch.
added security.
For added security. But don't you worry kasi this house naman is located inside a secure subdivision. Yan. And then, on that side naman is the access going to your service area which ipapakita namin ni architect later on.
By the way, this property is a single attached property na firewall siya on one side, then meron siyang setback on the left side of the property if you're facing on it. Tapos dito, upon entering, this one is a signature thick wood door with a abstract design. Oversized din siya. Yung mechanism na ginamit dito is basically a pivot hinge kasi I don't think kaya siya i-carry ng mga standard na hinges natin on the side. Automatic door lock na rin siya na mabenta sa ano natin kasi sobrang convenient niyang gamitin. Any of your household members pwede pumasok as long na alam nila yung password.
Pwede siyang keycard or passcode. Yun. Sige, let's go inside na. So, it's very solid talaga.
Going back, this is our main living area. So, upon entering, makikita nyo, Belle, yung staircase natin going to the second floor. And if you notice, you can compare it to our previous house tour which is already sold.
Yeah, I think
Lalagay na
that's-
lang ni Hans yung link sa ilalim.
Yeah, I think that's unbox 82.
Oh, 82. So basically, same layout, same design concept,
Design.
but the difference is in-squeeze in siya sa much smaller lot area.
And then parang ano nga siya small version siya ni House and Box 82.
Yan.
Well, that one I think that's 200 to 300 square meters lot area, but this one is 150 square meters. So ang kaibahan niya lang, the lot size and also wala siyang pool.
Bakit sa market ba in demand yung mga ganito?
Actually, most of our clients is nagtatanong din ng mga may pool, especially kung may kids sila, di ba? So, mas gusto nila may pool. But for those clients na naghahanap ng mga walang pool, syempre, you know naman na pag may pool, high maintenance din, di ba?
As you notice, yan, kung mako-compare mo siya do sa previous house tour natin, same design elements from the ceiling. Also, may thick wood fluted panels tayo, which is, take note, on natural wood. Then, very simple lang layout natin, Miss Bell. Basically, the living area, the dining area, and of course, the U-shaped kitchen.
It's an open plan.
Open planning, no partitions
No
at all.
structure.
So basically, sobrang dali niyang i-furnish kasi hindi ka mamimili talaga ng mga sizes dahil very uniform and very standard yung mga dimensions ng spaces natin. And then, going here to your dining area, I think kasha pa dito yung isang chair or pwedeng iusog ng onti doon. It can accommodate at least 6 to 8 packs na which is a perfect number, especially sa mga ganitong laki ng lot.
At saka, kung mapapansin nyo to, same din siya. This a
Yan.
piece of art.
Kung compare ni Hans dito yan,
Oo.
papatrabuhin natin si Hans talaga. Papadami natin ng mga edit.
So parang ito yung isa sa mga parang design ni builder, no? Meron din
Yes,
siyang ganito
oo.
sa bahay.
And of course, before natin makalimutan, meron pala tayong door doon upon entering sa may
Yes, let's go here.
right side. Pakita na rin natin.
So this one is your first bedroom on the ground floor. So ayan, meron na siyang beddings and then closet. Yan.
All furnitures and appliances na showcase dito are included. Except na lang sa dalawang cameraman natin, sobrang pogi. Yung sa nakangiti po.
Ay, may
Yan.
dalawang shooter po tayo.
Oo, dalawa tayo kasi may sinot kaming isang napakalaking property.
Oo, it's like 1,100.
And watch out, sooner or later, mag-out of town tayo.
Yes!
Pupunta tayo ng ibang provinces para mag-shoot. So, kasama nyo pa rin kami.
So,
Wala
stay
kayong choice.
tuned.
Yan, stay tuned. Going back, this is our second door from your living area, which is basically your full toilet and bath.
For the bedroom number 1. It's for the guests and also for this
Correct.
bedroom number 1.
Dito naman sa likod ni Hans and ni paring Hans number 2
Is your kitchen area.
is your kitchen number 2. Yung kitchen area natin, meron siyang low-seating breakfast nook which can in-house you at least 4
Four?
packs if you can accommodate.
Yes.
Tapos, sobrang luwag ng kitchen natin. Very strategic yung pag-allocate niya dahil wala siyang island counter dito.
Tama.
Hindi na di-disrupt yung space going to your dining, going to your kitchen.
And also, gusto ko itong mga nilagay na lang
Yan.
drop lights. So, mas bumagay talaga siya
Correct.
sa design ng bahay.
Sobrang organic. It resembles parang flower. A blooming flower siya
Oo
na
nga.
ano. Yung mga cabinetries naman natin, they are made from modular cabinets. Tapos meron silang continuous handrails. Usong-uso to ngayon, lalo na sa mga modern contemporary houses. Countertop natin, I think this one is an organic granite. You have a backsplash of
Backsplash.
porcelain tiles. Last area to be emphasized on this ground floor is basically the service
The
kitchen.
service area. But before that, I'm going to show you also this pantry. So, kasama
I
natin.
think ano yan, circuit breaker. Open natin. Taran!
So, hindi siya ISOR. So, it's
Hindi
very
siya,
smart.
correct.
And then, pwede din siya maging
Pwede.
storage. Magaling, no? So, this one is the access going to your service area and also your laundry area. So, meron na siyang bar counter, cabinetries, and then doon naman yung parang sa laundry area ninyo. And then, we have a door right here. This one is your maid's room with own toilet and bath. Yeah, there you go. So, tapos na tayo sa ground floor, no? Hi everyone! Just a quick break for our house tour because I'm going to show you our available lots here in the most exclusive subdivision of Angeles City, Pampanga. That's near Clark International Airport, the Plantation Hills subdivision. We have inner lots, corner lots and are available lots ranging 300 square meters to 700 square meters. Experience living in a serene neighborhood while enjoying the everyday necessities of life at Plantation Hills Subdivision, Angeles City, Pampanga. It has a gated community with 24-hour security, underground utilities, provisions for cable television and telephone, ample water supply through the private water systems. And this community boasts of its wide roads and a well-thought-of layout. A clubhouse is also a main focal point for residents to enjoy. A few minutes drive to malls like Robinsons, SM Clark, Marquee Ayala Mall, duty-free shops, as well as the public market. A 20-minute drive to airport, NLEX, and Subic Clark Tarlac Expressway. So make an appointment for your exclusive viewing and see our contact details now. Okay, so let's go back to our house tour.
Going to your second floor, speed lang to, which is basically, yeah, it resembles our previous house tour with the thick fluted wood accent all throughout the wall and the ceiling. Tapos yung finish ng steps natin is basically made from solid thick wood din.
Wood.
Then, I think this one's a combination of stainless handrails and tempered glass. Tapos may touch of wood na rin para at least medyo warm siya.
And also, mas bumagay pa itong super elegant na chandelier.
Correct. Tapos, if you notice, no, meron namang chance na magkaroon ng overlooking dito. Pero, mamaya pakita namin bakit mas prioritize yung space para mas ma-maximize yung mga bedroom sa second floor. So, dito na muna tayo.
Okay. This door is the access naman going to your balcony. So, ayan. It's a small space lang, tapos may overlooking ka lang outside.
So basically, galing tayo dun sa labas, which is the first door that you will be welcome upon entering to your second floor. Tapos dito naman, at least a hallway na hindi nagkaroon ng blank space kasi may implement or application ng stucco finish tapos may mga LED linings tayo.
Parang wall accent lang din.
Hindi naman siya maging boring kahit tignan.
Same sa ceiling din.
Correct.
Hindi lang siya plain.
So, it gets the point na nagkakaroon tayo ng mga modern designs or na hindi boring. Then, dito naman, this one is your first bedroom on the second floor. So, meron tayong standard size of 4 meters by 3.5. Tapos, meron na rin siyang mga built-in closets. Meron na rin siyang console cabinets. Included na yung mga air conditioning.
Yes.
Okay, and by the way, upon inspection, this property is located at a morning sun orientation. So, mas advisable na yung mga bedrooms natin, of course, definitely oriented on the morning sun para hindi mainit paghapon.
Tama.
Going on to our next bedroom,
is your bedroom.
Yan.
Well, technically, this one is your bedroom number 3. So, same lang siya.
Correct.
Halos, no?
Similar setup.
Bibilin na lang nila yung mga comforter, pillows, blanket. Yan.
Next one is, of course, kapag meron tayong mga bedrooms na ganyan, it should have their own common toilet and bath.
Of course. Now, for the last room is, of course, your master bed.
Yan.
And also, kung mapapansin nyo din pala,
Oo nga pala.
yung mga doors nila is talagang same ang design.
And if you notice, the standard sizes kasi is usually 2.1 or at least 6 feet, but dito 8 feet or 2.4 meters in height. So basically, above standard yung mga finishes natin dito na hindi tinipid yung property. With its price range, no?
Yes, tama. Pasok pa rin.
Pasok pa rin.
Now, this is your very huge and spacious master bedroom.
Ito pala yung na-mention natin kanina na if you notice, may chance naman tayo magkaroon ng overlooking sa living area natin. But we've decided na magkaroon na lang ng mas malaking master bedroom para mas ma-occupy or mas ma-maximize yung space niya. I think mas suitable ito dahil with the vertical height, it should compensate also with this horizontal dimension. So basically, meron tayong king-size bed here, tapos meron pa siyang back wall, then meron na rin siyang console cabinets on this side. Then meron pala siyang access
Sa
on its own
balcony.
exclusive balcony. Yan.
Oh, halos same lang din siya. Tapos meron din siyang artificial grass
Yan.
dito. So when you put some coffee table right here, di ba, mas maganda rin siya.
Very strategic rin yung pag-locate ng mga artificial grass kasi if you notice kapag mga outdoor spaces na ganito, kapag wala kang slippers, di ba ang init sa paa?
Tama.
But using artificial grass, hindi ka mapapasok or basically mas komportable siya kahit wala kang slip-ons na sinusuot pag lumalabas.
Okay. And also, kung mapapansin ninyo, this room has no walk-in closet. Nag-enjoy pa siya sa balcony. Since this room is very spacious, ito, pwede pa siyang maglagay ng mga cabinets or closet, right? Now, of course, your master bedroom has its own toilet and bath, and this one is my favorite one, is you have your bathtub and this full enclosed shower area, water closet, and sink. And hindi ko siya napansin kanina nung nag-review tayo. Meron din pala siyang closet dito.
Napakita na namin lahat ng amenities ng property nito.
Yes.
But at least you get the point kung ano yung pwedeng maging potential ng 150 square meters of flat nyo. Kasi at least magkaroon tayo ng option as a lot owner. Kasi panigurado, most of the time, yung mga viewers natin, hindi lang naman sila bumibili. But they're getting some ideas na pwede nilang incorporate sa sarili nilang mga property.
And also, ang daling nga ni builder eh. Kasi parang ang bilis nga nabenta nung big version of this house na naghahanap ng mga ganon, but this one is the small version.
Yan.
Diba?
Okay, Miss Belle, what do you like about this house?
Well, first, aside from the design of this house, the location, syempre. Kasi it's very accessible, especially kung gusto nyo yung malapit sa Clark International Airport. Well, this is the best location, I can say. And malapit din siya sa mga restaurants, sa mga hospitals. And then when it comes naman sa bahay, so sabi nga ni architect, the design itself, it's very nice, it's very modern, and the quality. Ano masasabi mo sa quality naman?
Technical-wise, basically, sobrang quality yung, ang ganda, nasa higher end of spectrum yung quality ng finishes. From floor, wall to ceiling, basically, nakikita mo talaga or nagra-radiate yung quality of finish niya. And of course, the value for money, so basically talagang you get what you paid for.
Tama.
So, do sa amount, what they are asking, sulit na for this type of investment.
Alright, so I think na-emphasize na natin yung ganda ng house. No?
Yan.
So, for those clients o kung may mga kilala kayo that is interested to buy this house or to view this house, please share this video also. And don't hesitate to message us on our Facebook and Instagram account at Unbox Properties page, helping you bring out your dream investment into reality. Just call us and we'll make it happen. See you on our next open house tour. Paalam! Tara na!
Dito sa master bedroom dito.
Hey, thank you for watching this house tour. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified on our latest uploads.